baling machine which will be operational over here. So this will take care of around 10 tons per day.
3 here, 1,
3 here and 2 behind the municipality. Yeah, 2 already are functional.
so 5.
5.
Five.
And 6th we have received today one more machine.
So that will take care of around 15 tons.
6th in this will take care of around around 14 tons here, whereas we are receiving 15 tons every day. So our objective is to ensure that the waste which is received is entire waste, dry waste is received, is treated on the same day.
So 6 machines are in operation.
As of now 5.
5.
6th one we have received, we are going to install it within a couple of days.
Now 5 are functional,
5 are functional.
including one.
Including those two. One was out of order, that is functional now.
The one shed has been taken in Nesa. It will be put in use here. You have taken one shed.
They have given the permission.
Yeah.
कितने
So
time लगेगा?
we will be see UNDP to private. We have reserved it for.
So where the 6th machine will go now? 6th baling machine, where it will be?
6th baling machine will go here, right opposite, because closer to this. Because our priority is to clear, not only to clear the daily waste, and also to clear the backlog.
2013. From that, always inspections were going on. CMs, urban development ministers, other ML. I think first time no inspection, only the solutions are going on. Some solution is there, result. And Magdishan knew our chief officer, then our CP chairperson, and plus all the corporation from our MLA, who is a brave, intelligent. So it will. I think this time it will work like.
Actually, I had taken the initiative to identify a plot for RDF. Now their issue remains is of inert. Although you are sir. इनर्टाचो इश्यू उरता तो आज ते 3 वरांचेर कलेक्टरा कडेन मिटींग घेवन ते रिजॉल्व करतले असो आमकां वी आर होपफुल ऑफ दॅट बेसिकली म्युनिसिपालिटी ऑल्सो ओन्स इनफ लँड वीच नीड्स लँड फिल द पार्किंग इन ओल्ड मार्केट इज वन प्लेस वेर क्लीन certified non-hazardous inert waste can be dumped for landfill, and we need to do it. So I think we should start it today itself. Chief officer should take the lead. Because I can start it and start dumping them. It's your land. Nobody can ask you anything about it. Only they start only in the course of time. We will finalize KRC, finalize Dilip maybe. So basically we should have a plan. We have only 5 months to work. We have wasted 1 month. Very unfortunate that after machines have come here, the machines have not been put to use. Lot of red tape is going on. Meetings after meetings are being held, but effectively nothing much is happening. Which is why I have personally come here to ensure that things start here. As far as the municipality is concerned, the step that they have initiated to have a CCTV and to have a gate at the entrance is very important, because we believe that the waste that comes in Sansada does not belong to only Madgaon and Fatarda and Kurtari, but it belongs to many other places. There are unanswered questions as to where the waste from all the 5-star hotels is going. I think there was a big racket going on. Hopefully that racket will now stop. But everybody has to keep an eye on this. Hindustan Waste also has an office there. So I think from today it actually begins, this process begins of remediation and having a scientific garbage treatment facility here. The point is very simple. It's not a mistake of his. He is looking at waste from Margaon, Fatarda and part of Kurtoni, which falls under the jurisdiction of the Margaon Municipal Council. So that is why I was always saying about this biomethanation. You need to take care of the dark spots. The dark spots are from all the neighboring areas. Now there is a solid waste management corporation. This issue I will take up with Michael Lobo as quickly as possible, because otherwise it's a responsibility of the government, which takes taxes from people, to also digest the waste. Although it is not Margaon municipal responsibility. Margaon municipality looks after Margaon municipal waste within the jurisdiction of the municipal council. दुसरो वेस्ट जो आहा ताका कितें तरी करचें पडटलें, नाल्यार तें येवन आमच्या दारार येवन सांठून उरतलो. ताका आमी विल हॅव टू फायंड अ सोल्युशन. एनी केस आज ताका स्टार्ट करपाक जाय.